back to another episode of the Rusty Magnets. Today we have our special guest, Pond Scum, Jen, and Sticking It with Tina. And I just had a really bad list there, you guys. What do you got going on there, Kathy?
And I think maybe a shovel, yeah?
Yeah, it looks like a shovel of some sort.
It's complete with mud.
Nice. Already starting out strong today, you guys. She's got a shovel, a mystery ring, some sticks stuck between it. All right, guys, first find of the day. Looks like it's gonna be a spark plug. All right, guys, Sticking with Tina got her first find today. It looks like the top to a fuel pump, maybe.
And
is that a knife?
No. Some nails.
Nice. Got the neighbors out already. Oh geez, you guys, look at this. I don't know what the heck's going on here. It looks like I got a flat piece of steel, part of a bucket. All right, you guys, Dave looks like he got a chunk of cable and some other stuff on there.
More cable.
A knife.
Tube or something. Scrap metal.
Nice. All right, guys, looks like Tina found a old brake for a bicycle.
I don't know what the heck that is.
That's pretty cool looking. What? Nice. Yeah, a whole bunch of stuff going on here.
Not sure what that is, but just a bunch of spring
Nice.
and
Spring. A return clip for something. Return spring for something.
yeah.
Brake. Nice. Nice. Kathy, you guys, just found part of a bicycle rim.
Some sort of rod
And it looks like a brace, like a bracket for something.
thing. Yeah.
Like a bumper bracket almost.
Doorknob.
That's an old doorknob.
That's kind of what I wondered.
Was it newer? It looks like it might be newer because it's got plastic on
I
it.
don't know. Are you sure it's a doorknob? What's that up there? This little
But
piece.
it's new or something, whatever it is, because it is like a rubber plastic.
yeah, and that slicker
That's pretty
there.
cool.
That looks weird.
And there's this
Looks like
thing.
Looks like a
Pry
tool.
bar?
Pry bar.
Kind of looks like it.
Yeah, stabbing that.
Yeah.
Check that out though, you guys. Found a pry bar
Oh,
and some sort of like a
wait a
lock
minute.
or
This ain't a pry bar.
No, it's
It's
like a
got,
stake.
it's got rungs
Like
in
a
it.
tent stake like thing.
this almost looks like it might be part of a drill.
You know, that
Like a
could be.
hand drill.
Yeah, like a hand drill.
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Tool.
What's
We'll
that
go with
side? Is
old
there
tool.
a name on that side?
Let's see what we got on here. Oh, I got an old beer can. And a stick. Let's see if I can get this off without breaking this. Oh, no, not happening. You guys, check that out. That is an old shoe for some sort. What? That's cool. Check that out. All right, guys, here's Tina's shoe that she just found. That is pretty cool. All right, guys, I just pulled this up. This looks like an old gauge for something. Not quite sure what that would be for, but that's pretty sweet. All right, guys, Jen just found a scissors too, but check that out, a little pair of scissors. All right, you guys, I left to go talk to one of the neighbors real quick. Look what Dave from Pond Scum found. That's like an old school hot rod. That is so cool. Oh my gosh, dude, I love that. The old toys around here, you guys, we find quite a few of them. That is absolutely awesome. Here's a better picture of that toy, that old hot rod that Dave found. That thing is absolutely awesome. Oh, there's a hole there.
Maybe. I'll give it a
Oh! Stop. Look at the padlock right there. Oh my gosh. Yep.
That's a really nice
That's a
one.
really old padlock too. Yes. Heck with the axe. I'm more looking at this padlock. Tina, you guys are killing it today. Wow. Look at that padlock, you guys. Alright guys, so we just moved down a couple houses to this new spot. We kind of had the opportunity to fish this backyard a few year ago or 2 years ago, and Tina just found part of a umbrella stand.
Oh, I'm stuck to myself.
You stuck to yourself? Jen, what did you get?
Yeah,
Got a
fishing pole.
Fishing pole. Nice. That's a full pole too.
I'm gonna take it because I'm stuck to myself.
Yep. Another lamp stand. Wow, look at that. That's pretty cool. Dude, you guys are killing it today.
Well, if you fall on that, it definitely kills.
Oh yeah, that wouldn't be a good time. Alright, you guys, check that out. It's a shoe form for like a kid. Yeah.
Form.
Hey guys, I think that is an old gas tank. What is that?
Like, I don't have any clue. It's hinged.
Yeah, it's hinged.
Looks.
It would go this
I
way.
have no idea what it would
What
do.
is that?
It's cast iron.
Yeah, it's
It
definitely.
looks like it's got a mounting bracket. It's
Do you think
mounting
it'd be?
bracket.
You think it'd be like a little space heater of some sort?
I don't know.
Because it looks like it has like.
Yeah, I'm not sure what those would be.
That is crazy. That's cool. Wow.
It's cool, but it's weird.
There's like a stack on it. I wonder if that'd be for like metal.
Casting?
Yeah.
I don't know. With this?
I don't know.
A pot. Here's the handles.
Oh, what? What did you just find there? Is that ceramic?
Yeah. Yes.
Is that ceramic?
Okay. It's white.
That probably was that.
Wow. Oh, you know what that is?
What's that?
It's part of a crankshaft.
Oh,
Yeah, the connecting rod would go on here,
sure.
and then that would rotate. It's part of a crankshaft.
Crankshaft.
Nice.
Right.
I just found that. I don't know what that is.